Welcome to the Horticulture Gardens at Piedmont Technical College, located in beautiful Greenwood, South Carolina, home to the South Carolina Festival of Flowers. We are extremely excited to show you around our horticulture gardens. These gardens are designed, installed, and maintained by the students in our horticulture program. Being a part of the AAS Display Garden program has exposed our students to many exciting new varieties entering the industry and how to care for them. Our AAS Display Garden was featured on the garden tour circuit for the 2024 SC Festival of Flowers earlier this summer. Community members also have a chance to visit our gardens during our various plant sales and college events. Please join us on a stroll through the garden, and we hope to host you for an in-person tour in the future.